picky eater here. The first question that pops into my mind when I'm eating anything that's not my own cooking. Well, what if I don't like it?
So this is as far as we got on this. Still got plenty of rice and chicken left. But ooh, tired. In a coma. Send help.
I hate to waste food, so I used to shy away from trying new things because of my food aversion. So glad I found her.
Few of charnettes. Okay. We got fried chicken with curry gravy and some seasoned rice, a little bit of vegetable. But I think this is considered, I think this is Mexican rice or something. We're about to try it. Let's see. I'm actually really excited. Because it's not like the Mexican rice that I'm used to, like I grew up with. But I'm going to try it real quick. I'm going to try the rice first. Just the rice, a little bit of curry gravy. Okay. I can see, flavor-wise, not the same as like Mexican rice, but like cooking concept-wise, I can tell that this rice is fried. It definitely has like some tomato paste or ketchup or something, which is very similar to Mexican rice. You definitely have to fry it and then kind of season it with water. So just fry it plain, no gravy. Hold on. I would definitely want a little bit more salt, so I'm about to put some salt on it. But let me try this chicken for y'all because I just got it in my hand. So y'all know it's real, right? Y'all hear that crunch? Baby, it go crazy. This is the 8 bills food, so $800 for this one. You get, I got 2 pieces of chicken breast, and then a whole heap of rice and vegetables. So I think she has them starting at like $600 or $700. Definitely go around and check her out. Totally worth it. Hello. That's for anybody who swears I'm not American. But listen, as a picky eater, it can be really hard to find things that I enjoy eating or places, you know, because I do have food aversions. That's never been a problem around at Charnette's. You will only see me in videos eating the chicken. That's just because that's my preference. She has a different menu every single day. But yes, so I think this is home-style chicken with rice and peas. And oh my goodness, y'all have to check her out. She's amazing. As you can clearly see in this video, sometimes the food be so good I have no words. Big bag, big bag, big bag, big bag. All the forks are loaded up. I be forgetting to record, honestly, because I be so